Good day, viewers. Good day, viewers. My name is Arnold Simuteka, and welcome to EduCraft Media. Today, we'll be looking at questions of mathematics from 2021 past paper, ECZ Examination Council of Zambia. So, the first question here, is this one. So, look at this one. Well, it says simplify a squared ax squared minus b squared y squared divided by ax plus by. So this expression is a difference of squares in the numerator. So we can rewrite this as a. So let me change the color. Okay, then let me lab this. Okay, so let me go there. Okay, so we'll write this as a x minus b y cross bracket, another one have a x plus b y cross bracket divided by a x plus b y. So for this one, cancel out the common factors. Common factor ax plus by, assuming that ax plus by is not equal to 0. So this and this you cancel it out. This and this you cancel it out. Will remain with a x minus by. So this is our answer. Let's go to question B. Question B says, given the geometric progression 4, 2, 1, find the seventh term. Let's find the seventh term. The first thing is to find the common ratio. And how do we find the common ratio? This is B. How do we find the common ratio? Okay. So for the common ratio, now the common ratio of the geometric progression is R is equal to 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Since, well, why have I done this? It's because when finding the common ratio of the geometric progression, you divide the second term with the first term. You divide the second term with the first term. And this is 2 is the second term, and then 4 is the first term. So now we can find this, and then the question says, I find the seventh term. So the formula for the nth term of the geometric progression is so write this. Nth term is equal to the first term multiplied by r to the power n minus 1. So this is the formula for the nth term, and then where a is equal to 4 and r is equal to 1 over 2. So this is our data, and how do we calculate this? We write this as the seventh term, which is 7, is equal to first term is 4, and then multiply by 1 over 2 cross bracket to the power 7 minus 1, which is the seventh term is equal to 4 open bracket 1 over 2 to the power 6. Okay, so let's continue to the other side of the page. So now we'll continuation. Okay, so the seventh term is equal to 4 open bracket 1 over 2 cross bracket to the power 6, and then once we calculate this, we'll have a 4 multiplied by 1 over 64. 1 over 64. Since when we put the power on 1, we remain with 1, and then 2 to the power 6 is 64. 1 to the power 6 is 1, and then 2 to the power 6 is 64. So we are working out the bracket. This is the way of working out the brackets by removing the power. How do we remove the power? By what I've just done and explained. So now we have 4 times 1, we'll get 4 over 64. So the answer is 1 over 16. So when you multiply 4 times 16, we'll get 64. Okay? So let's confirm. If there's a doubt, let's confirm. Let's confirm here. So we have 64 divided by 4. So the answer is what? 16. Okay. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So any question, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next tutorial. Let's look at the second question from a question B, which says the sum of the first 9 terms. The sum of the first 9 terms. The sum of the first 9 terms. Okay, the sum of the first 9 terms. Okay, so the sum of the first n terms of a geometric progression is given by the sum of the first n terms of a geometric progression is given by Sn is equal to, so now we have first term open bracket, we have 1 minus r to the power n, you close bracket, divided by 1 minus r, which is where r is the common ratio and a is the first term. Okay, is the first term. So now let's substitute a. So a is equal to 4 and the r is equal to 1 over 2 and n is equal to 9. Okay, so where this is the sum of the first 9 terms, the sum of the first 9 terms. So let's cancel, let's delete this. Hope you've understood. Okay, so now sum of the first 9 terms, so where a is equal to 4, r is equal to 1 over 2 and the n terms is equal to 9. So what you're going to do, you're going to replace, okay, we're going to replace where we have so the formula for the sum of the geometric progression is Sn is equal to first term open bracket 1 minus r to the power n cross bracket divided by 1 minus r. So now we have this sum is equal to first term is 4 and then open bracket 1 minus common ratio is 1 over 2 cross nth term is 9 cross bracket divided by 1 minus 1 over 2, which is the common ratio, and then this will have 4 open bracket 1 minus then once we square this we are going to get for example, let's look at this. So when you multiply 2 multiplied by 9, okay, 2 multiplied by 9, I mean 2 multiplied by 9 times 2 multiplied by 9 times, what you're going to get is, so we square it, sorry, so what you're going to do this, and then I don't know what square. Okay, let me just do this, sorry, we can so see 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by, okay, let's just use the scientific calculator. So so have 2 raised to the power 9, so the answer is 512. Okay, thank you. So have 512, so this will be 1 over 512, 1 over 512 divided by 1 over 2. So when you subtract 1 minus 1 over 2, the answer we get is 1 over 2 is equal to, now since we have this, now what are we going to do here? We are going to say it's the common denominator is 512. So just write 4 open bracket. Then you say the answer is what? The answer is 511 divided by 512. Okay, so divided by 1 over 2. So when you multiply this 4 by 2, it becomes the reciprocal over this. So meaning that you have is equal to 8 multiplied by 511 over 512 is equal to, so 8 multiplied by 512, 8 multiplied by 512 will have 4088, 4088. So this will have 4088 divided by 5a divided by 5a 12. So let's cancel this side. Let's delete rub this side. Okay, so can we delete this side? We can delete this side. Okay, and then let's continue. The continuation is this side. So have 4088 divided by 5a 512. So if you want to prove that, you get the calculator. Okay, you get the calculator. Let's cancel this. You get calculator. You say 8 multiplied by 511. The answer is what? 4088. Okay, 4088. Then once you divide that, the answer is what? 7.98. 7.98. I've just corrected. I've just corrected or just the decimal places. So we'll have 7.98. Okay, so this is our answer. That is it. Now let's continue. Let's continue solving. Find the geometric mean of 196 and the 15,625. Now the geometric mean of GP of the geometric mean of the GP of two numbers A and B is given by. So the formula is given by. So the geometric GP mean is what? The formula is equal to, so G, let's say we'll put G, will be the place order. So we'll have square root of A and B. So you multiply A and B. You multiply. So for example, if you have A, B, C. Now the geometric mean of these three is, you divide A. Sorry, let me just delete this. Okay, so you divide this, the second term by the first term. So it's B over A is equal to C over B, meaning that B times B is B squared is equal to AC when you multiply. So when you square it, you cancel square and the square root and the square, then you write B is equal to the square root of AC. So this is where this is where the formula is coming from. So let's continue this side. Okay, so let's continue this side. Let's continue this side. So for example, we have ABC, like I've explained. We have ABC, and then you have those answers. Okay, so let's continue now. Let's continue solving. So I have the geometric mean. So meaning the GP, the geometric mean is equal to the square root of 196 multiplied by 15,625. Okay, so the answer will be, when we multiply this, we have 30,000, 3 million, like we have 3 million, like we have the square root of 3 1.6 2 sorry, let me write in a proper way. So you have the square root of 3,062, 500. So now this will have what is the square root of 3,062,500. What we're going to have is 17 is 1,750. 1,750. So this is our answer. Please see you in the next tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be the first one to receive this kind of video whenever I make a video like this one. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.